Okay, so this is my second version of the old car. I took that thing apart already. I'm using the parts all over. I realized I only need one of these things. I forgot what they're called. I think the L921N, I think. Yeah, maybe somewhere here. Yeah, the L2981. Turns out I only need one of those, so I'm only using one. Then I put the sensor in the front. I got like 5 more coming on Monday, so I'm gonna put those on the sides and the back. What else? I got the Mega. I got one. I got the solder through the bottom. I got space for the battery. So it's gonna be, everything's gonna be balanced. This won't flip at all. This one's looking nice, like real nice. Like I'm proud of this one. Like damn. Alright. Okay, so at this point, for the most part, I got it working. It looks good and everything. It looks way better than the last one. Then if I turn on the battery,
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
okay, so now that I got the car working and fully put together, we're gonna go test it outside. Okay, so this right here is gonna be the newest version of my car, Mark 5. As you can see, unlike the other ones, I put all the components on the inside, so they're better protected and it just has a cleaner look to it. And for this one, I am gonna put the ultrasonic sensor on it, because for the last one, it just wasn't working out. So I just scrapped that at the end, but this one should work with it. And right here, I've modeled most of the components that are gonna be on the inside. Looks perfectly nice. I should have it done, like made in like about a week or so, but yeah. So yeah, this is what we're looking at for the newest version. So yeah, thanks for watching the video.